Hi guys, in today's podcast we're going to have a quick look at the substantiation of work-related expenses. Let's have a quick look. Certain kinds of outgoings are not a deduction unless you have receipts. So even though you meet the criteria of Section 8-1 or a specific section, a deduction cannot be claimed. Now the substantiation provisions are contained in Division 900, and for this course we are mainly interested in individuals. So the expenses that are required to be substantiated include work expenses, car expenses, and business travel expenses. If we do have receipts, how long do we need to keep them? Well, 5 years is the general rule, and that's from the later of the due date for lodging the tax return or when the actual tax return was lodged. There are a few concessions. You'll see them there in the notes and you'll see them on the screen now. Obviously, it's not required. You don't require receipts if, for example, your employment-related expenses were less than $300. And in other words, you've only got $275 to claim. You don't need to have the receipts for that. Also, laundry expenses. If you have a work-related uniform, then under those circumstances, the laundry of those up to a maximum of $150 does not require substantiation. There's a couple of additional ones there as well. A win for the taxpayer here: certain small expenses of $10 or less up to a total of $200 in one income year doesn't have to have or be substantiated. So you can just have a note in a diary for that. Yes, I spent $5 on a work-related small expense. The good thing, and this is what I do with my clients, I certainly encourage my clients to keep a record via their credit card statements. So there's a practice statement that will allow an entry on a bank statement or a credit card statement together with a handwritten note, and that will satisfy the requirements of Division 900. So if you're in at Officeworks and you've bought some stationery, you pay for it on your credit card where possible, and then just make a note as to what it's for, that it's stationery, that you're using it 100% for business. That will get you through Division 900 and the substantiation requirements.